What up, YouTube? It's your boy King TK. I say King TK is back with another banger. So, guys, today I ain't gonna talk a lot. Like, guys, Iconic Bray has a crush on Sasha, guys. Like, yo, this is crazy. Iconic Bray has this, like, my crush is a crush on someone that I hate, guys. I hate Sasha with my whole life from now on. Like, Iconic Bray has been my crush for like 5 years, guys. Oh. And the most heartbreaking part that she hugged him. Oh. And she's even lying and she's saying that she used to can't she still being seen the eye contact, guys. Oh, it's bad. 'Cause I had no idea.